third time's the charm, so let's try. It's 2nd May 2024 today, and as you can see from this graph, you can probably figure out that it was a shitty day for an option buyer. So let me just open the charts. So as you can see, the whole day they managed Nifty very well between 22,700, and they did not let it fall 22620 to be exact. So trading wise, today was a very bad day for me, and I'm lucky to have closed in green, but although after taxes and charges I'm in a loss of around 2,000 or something. So I'll just show you my positions right now. See, so this is what I did, and perfect over trading day, to be honest. So just to give an overview of what I have done. So I didn't trade the first 30 minutes because I was not sure where the market would be going. Then once it took support over here, and I thought I bought Nifty calls over here, and I kept a tight SL, but unfortunately it hit my SL, and then it went up somewhere over here. It went up, and then so I was waiting for this breakout to happen so that 22,700 will cross. So when it came back again, I took another trade over here, and it took my SL again. So I was in deep red. So I bought puts over here, so thinking like this is the breakdown, and I wasn't a good profit, but the problem was that I was expecting 22,600 to break, but then it gave me a reversal. So, and again it took my SL. So once I took myself, I started revenge trading, and which I should not have done now that I think about it. So I expected 20, because I thought this was a false breakdown, and I expected 22,700 to cross again. So I bought Nifty calls again. So Nifty call tight SL, SL hit, Nifty calls deep SL, SL hit, Nifty puts deep SL, SL hit. So I thought this would be my last trade of the day, and if not, I'll have to close it. And I was in a loss of around 70,000 at that time with a capital which I prefer not to say. So I bought Nifty calls here, and thankfully it shot up. I waited for 22,700 to break, but I figured out they were still writing 22,700 calls, so I closed my positions over here. So I was in a profit around 8,000 at that time. So I closed it and was waiting for the whole day for this channel to break. So this is where I closed my position. It came down, it came down. So I expected this to be a W breakout. So I bought calls here, kept a tight SL which got hit. Then again I bought calls here, but this time I followed it up and I closed it. So somewhere over here I thought the breakdown would happen, and I bought puts, but they managed it so well today. See, you can see here, somewhere around here I bought puts. I'll just take you to the first 1 minute chart to give you a better idea, right? So I thought this would be the false breakout. It came break down and it came up, and I expected this to go down. I bought it over here, it shot up, took my SL, and then it went down. So by the time I decided it was time to move away from Nifty, because since it's a Nifty expiry, they were managing the hell out of it. So I moved on to Bank Nifty. With Bank Nifty, I thought I'd be getting a good trade somewhere over here. At the time I moved to Bank Nifty, there was already a good pattern in place. So it tried once, it failed, it tried again, it failed. So at this time it would break up. So I bought it here. It took off, but they kept writing it. So I closed my trade in a profit, and then I moved on back to Nifty expiring, so that I could trade the 230 spike. Unfortunately for me, I missed the spike when the puts with this trade, right? The puts went up. So again I was in a loss of around 15,000. So somewhere over here, I guess. Yeah, somewhere over here I bought calls again, because I knew that 22,600 is not breaking today, because they were writing it so much. So I expected expiry at around 22,650 or 670. So I bought it when it was around 60. Again took off. I closed the position in profit, but overall, considering the charges, I'm still in loss. But that is negligible, right? Because that is well within my loss limit. So to sum up what has happened today, it's been pretty shitty day because I followed the rules kind of, but it kept taking my SLs, right? Today was not an option buyer's day. So the problem is that with days like this, wherein you keep tight SLs to take the profits out, the same thing happens in a trending day. You'll take your profits out, and who knows, it might have crossed 22,700, it had gone to 22,800. So you win some, you lose some, but the thing is, I have to ensure that I don't lose much. With that being said, I'd like to close this video. So tomorrow's Friday. Historically, Friday has not been a good day for me, so I'll have to just stick to my rules and hope that I close the day in green. So see you.